Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to dive into the fascinating world of body muscle growth, specifically focusing on the journey from failure to confidence. So let's get started. First and foremost, let's talk about the importance of exercise and training. Muscle growth begins with workouts, especially resistance training like weightlifting. When you work out, there's a small tissue damage in your muscles. This is where the magic happens. After a workout, it's crucial to allow your body to recover. Rest and sleep are key factors in this process. While you're resting, your body repairs the tissue damage and makes it stronger than ever. This is known as hypertrophy or muscle growth. It's important to note that a good night's sleep is crucial for this process. Aim for 7-9 hours of sleep every night, and you'll be on your way to building those strong muscles. Thank you so much for joining us today. We hope you found this information helpful and inspiring. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health and fitness tips. Until next time, stay strong and stay healthy.